So after designing your outfit on CLO3D, go to your browser and search for connect.closet.com. So this is connect.closet.com. So after opening an account, go to the store. When you go to the store, go to the avatar section, then search for walking. So click on price, then check free. Then this page is going to reload and only show you the free animations or free avatar that are here. Then scroll down, you see different option of walking animation. Then you can select this one. Just select the cart option, and then it's going to add to your cart. Add to cart, yes. Then you see it here. So select your cart, then check this connect and place your order. Next thing is to go to your purchase and download this file. Go to your download, open the animation zip file, copy the animation file, copy this, then locate where your CLO3D assets are on your system. So this is my asset. My CLO3D asset is located on my PC OS user public document CLO and asset. So you can also check the same on your system. Then I'll go to avatar. Then I'll select mail. Then I'll select motion. Then I'm going to paste this here. So when I paste this here, I'm going to go back to my CLO. Then I'm going to go back to my avatar. I'm going to go back to the mail version 2, go back to motion and search for the walking. Enter to search. So this is my MV2 walking in a place 01 animation. Then double click on it. I'm going to select OK. Now I'm going to go to simulation. I'm going to go to animation. Then make sure you change your animation to animation stable. So if you are on normal, change it to animation stable and select record. So now our animation is done recording. So let's play this. So now you've created your first working animation on CLO3D. So this is it. So the next thing to do is to render this animation. So what you do is to, let's go back to simulation. Then select render. Select the setting. Select from image to animation. Then change your dimension size, portrait. You can either save as video or you can save as PNG sequence. You get. So this is your project name. Select the file path you want to save your animation, image format or JPEG format. And the next thing you can do is to select this icon to render your animation. And now your animation is rendered. You can see render one image of 210 frames. So you are good to go. Also, I want to remind you guys, I also sell mockup animation. If you need anyone for your business or you want to use it to create a reels on your social media and do so, check my Gumroad and you can purchase any of my mockup design. So see you in my next tutorial.